In today's video, we're going to be taking you on a scenic drive down Highway 189 from Deer Creek Reservoir to Bridal Veil Falls. There's such pretty autumn colors on the hills right now. I don't miss it. It's quite a view.
You've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Before you go to sleep, keep on our shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the
way driving back from Wyoming. We stopped off at Bridal Veil Falls and near St. Louis, Salt Lake City, Utah. Look how pretty they are. It's the most water that we've seen here. And look at all the beautiful autumn leaves that are scattered around. And
So
look on the opposite
beautiful.
side.
Very pretty.
Yeah, great views.
Mm-hmm.
We see last year the waterfall put out so much water it washed out the trail down here. Drive coming down Highway 189, was that right, John?
Yeah, 189. East Provo Canyon Road, US 189.
Okay, East Provo Canyon Road, Highway 189 South.
East Provo Canyon Road,
East, okay.
Provo, Utah.
Okay, so anyhow, if you like our content, please reach to the bottom down here and mash that like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps our channel. We appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
Out.
Out.